Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to link to another Jira ticket. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the specific project you're working on. This will display all the issues associated with your project. If you have a large number of tickets, don't worry. Jira's search and filter tools make it easy to locate what you're looking for. Next, open the specific Jira ticket that you want to link to another. This will take you to the detailed view of that issue. Here, just below the issue's title, you'll find an option labeled Add Content within the Details section. Click on this option to reveal more functionalities, and from here select Add Related Work tab. Now you'll need to determine the type of relationship you want to establish between the two tickets. Jira provides predefined link type, such as is blocked by, relates to, or duplicate of. After selecting the link type, enter the issue key of the ticket you want to link to. Jira will automatically search and suggest matching tickets from your project. Once you find the correct issue, select it. Finally, click on Link to confirm and establish the connection. Jira will instantly update both tickets to reflect their relationship. And that's it. So that is how you can link to another Jira ticket. So that's all for this video. Thanks.